Welcome to Bobtown. We are making a fire in our pit. What we're going to do is make some ribs and chicken luau style. First thing we do is we dig a hole. Okay, let me know when you turn it off I can breathe again.
You sound like me. You know, that tube looks a heck of a lot bigger in the daylight.
Hey, I don't want to hear about your old hole.
My old hole is buried under there. It's hard, isn't it?
That's what she said.
Is this going up on YouTube? Don't.
Jules showing the man how to dig a fucking hole. Okay, now you can scoop it all out.
All right, I'll scoop it out. Mike's got your...
How?
Then we light a fire.
Starting to have fall smelling. Because I had 3 a week ago, and then back my arm.
Then we're going to throw some rocks in here. The rocks are going to get nice and hot. Then we throw a pan full of chicken and ribs, which are over here. Chicken and ribs here with barbecue sauce and some other stuff.
Chipotle honey barbecue.
Oh, excuse me. It was Chipotle honey barbecue sauce. Is going to go in there, and then we're gonna bury it. It is now about 4:30 or 5 on Friday evening, and Saturday afternoon, say 2, 3, we're gonna crack this baby open and have some ribs and chicken that will absolutely melt in your mouth. The next step is we put the pot in the fire on top of the coals.
It's real dark.
There's smoke in my eyes.
And then we'll put this wet sheet over the top of that.
Okay, here goes the sheet. Ciao, Robert. And the lid.
This is like a lid we're going to throw over the top of that.
Yeah, Smalls.
Then we shovel in the dirt.
Where's the shovel,
Can't see
honey?
I said we shovel in the
I
dirt.
know. You got another shovel?
No,
All right.
There's the hole where our lunch is cooking right there.
Okay.
Say when.
What do you want to say? What do you want me
I'll
to
say
say?
it.
They told me to dig.
All right, it is time to unearth our dinner. So we have Donna here scraping off all of the sand.
They told me I'm looking for a body.
There's a body under there with gold in its pockets.
Or we said dig so you can put it by. I don't remember what we said.
Last I heard it was only a quarter.
Okay, here we are. We've almost unearthed.
Bobtown ribs and chicken luau style. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we don't get any sand in here. Yeah, it's safe. Looks good so far. I put a sheet, or a wet sheet, over.
That's gonna be fine, babe.
I'm going to pick the whole thing up
take
and
the
then
whole thing
remove
up.
the sheet once we get it out of the sand.
Sweet.
Want to pull that out, peel it off, and pull it like your way to,
It smells good.
Oh my goodness.
just like that. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Here, give me that rag.
Okay,
Unearthing dinner,
let's see what it looks
Easter
like.
2013. Couple layers of foil. Oh, look at that. Look at the juice in there, man.
Oh my God!
Give me a fork. Let's try this out.
Look at this.
Inside the dishwasher,
Dishwasher,
is a
grab
fork.
a fork.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, look at the meat is falling off the bone.
Oh, totally.
Okay, go
Look at
ahead.
that. Just falling off.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
that is chicken.
Don't try this at home.
Chicken and ribs. So how many
Look
hours?
at the eyes.
How many hours they been in the hole?
I don't know, what time is it? We put
It's
it
like
at
2:33.
8 last night, 3 o'clock. It did
So-
most of its cooking, I think, the first few hours, handful of hours, and then it just kind of was sitting underground,
So it's
simmering.
been maybe 19 hours.
And I left the skin on the chicken, so there's plenty of fat. I sat there and marinated in fat. Oh my goodness.
Did we rub those ribs?
We put some stuff on it.
I had beer and barbecue sauce on it. Got our glasses?
I think we should have a toast
Yep.
to health and to our friends. Easter 2013 is on us,
Cheers, Larry.
and we made it this far, and we are so blessed to be together.
And we
In
are
one
going to
piece.
have this tonight,
And we're
right?
gonna finish up the tequila tonight. We might even pass the bottle around right now, Larry.
Oh, should I go?
Oh, take it, Larry. You're driving, man.
Smalls? Can I have? I'm going to open this one too. Can I open this one too?
Yeah. It's all gonna be gone tonight anyway. Oh man, smooth. Oh. Tastes like sugar.
Okay, hand,
Oh,
so go for it.
you don't want the
Go,
tequila.
go, 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 go.
go,
Yeah,
go,
yeah,
go.
yeah. Wearing it.
Hey.
Cheers.
Hey, we'll have to take that shirt off and wash it.
Oh, that's alcohol abuse.
Bobtown,
Bobtown,
2013
USA,
Easter weekend.
baby.
Excellent time, great fun.